Here is an interesting fact. While I was making episode one of Beyond Mortality, originally the story was supposed to be pretty different in some places, and that was still the case while I was making episode one. So, Sabrina's backstory, which was then added to episode three, was actually supposed to be kind of mashed into the middle of episode one as like exposition. Um, and so that was so I started making that, and that was actually one of the first parts of that episode that I started making. Of course, it didn't make it in. Um, but yeah, the point is, I have like the old version of what's now episode three, what was supposed to be in episode one. This was, I started making it at like, I think, at end of 2024 is when I started drawing that. And so I have like this old version of episode one slash what is now episode three, what it was supposed to look like, and episode three, and I thought it would be fun to compare the two to see what's changed. Okay, so what immediately sticks out to me is the fucking difference. I've improved so much over the last like what was it 2 years, I think. About 2 years, 2.5, I think. Um, like I didn't even notice. Like it looks. Pardon my French. It looks like shit. I don't know how that happened because the pilot looks better than this, and that was like a couple months before this, and the rest of episode one, it looks good. It looks fine. I don't know what the hell happened here. So I'm just gonna take a moment to shit on my old art real quick. Not because I hate my past self, don't get it mixed, okay? I just love I love my old art. Okay, I love it. I love looking through it. I'm not ashamed of it. I always keep all of my art so that in the future I can look at it and go, wow, that was my old art. I sucked back then. I love my old art so much, but I also love to shit on it. So this isn't self-hatred or anything. I'm just having fun. Okay, disclaimer. Anyway, let's go through this. First of all, the thing that bothers me most, I think, is that the contrast within like Dot's part of the environment, the contrast is absolutely abysmal. You can't even see Sabrina. Why is the background so dark and saturated? Why do the colors suck so much? You can't see shit. And okay, I still struggle with contrast within that same environment. But I kind of cheated that a little bit by adding the glow in the background. Here there is also glow, but not enough glow. Look at this. Look at it. It's you can't see shit. It's hideous. My eyes hurt. Um yeah, the second point, everything is kind of like it's rushed, okay? It's rushed. It's badly drawn. I don't much like it. Oh yeah, by the way, this also almost made it into episode 3. I kind of did like an updated version of it, but then I scrapped that because I didn't like it. Um with the because it made more sense. First of all, Sabrina's made of paper, so it would make sense that she would be created from a piece of paper if we were already doing something fun visually. Why the goop? I don't know what was up with the goop. Also, I didn't want to have the goop because it reminded me of period blood. Tovish looks fine actually. These were still kind of their old designs, where they didn't have legs. um, so that's a tidbit. Oh, just the contrast, the colors are okay. The part with like the blackboard with the explanations and everything, that one's actually pretty good. I don't mind that one. Um yeah, I don't have many other comments other than it just does not look great. I mean, the thing is, like, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, it's not like abysmal or anything. I don't remember it looking like this. I don't remember. Like in my head, I remember it as looking good. What happened? Why? What? I'm just so flabbergasted. My flabbers are gasted. What? How? Just how? Like again, I'm not saying it's the worst thing I've ever seen. It's not even that bad. Okay, uh, like I've made worse art. Like this is fine. It's fine. It's passable. But I don't remember it being like this. Just like the worst part is definitely the background with the higher forces. Just so little contrast. Just so much eye strain. Of course, not to mention the audio and the dialogue. Most of the dialogue stayed pretty similar, actually, but Yeah, also the text box, the way it was before, it took up like a third of the screen, which was definitely not ideal. Um, but yeah, I really like the fact that I still have this to compare, because I don't know, just it's just so surreal seeing like how far I've come, and how my methods have changed and stuff, and just to see like, I don't know, just nice. I like it, and I will keep the old version forever within my heart and treasure it.